Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session what I'll be showing you is that how do we edit a file to in Ubuntu to solve any sound related issues. Okay, so how do we actually do that is basically all you need to do is just edit a configuration file which is pasted over here. So let's go into sudo and then I'll just use gedit, right? Go into user and then USR, and then after that go into share, and within share I think there is path. No, within that you need to go into pulse audio. Within that there is only one file, else a mixer. Within that mixer as well you need to, let's see, paths over here, and within that you need to find out this particular file over here, analog output configuration. So I'll just copy and paste the whole thing, just type it, right? Why be so lazy? Analog output speaker configuration.config. So once I click that, so something like this will appear, and then within that what you need to do is I'll just open another terminal as well. Okay, so I'll just open another new terminal. So cd into my downloads, and then cat ast.txt. so I have a thingy over here, this code that I should replace. Okay, so within that, first of all what I need to find out is I need to find out my element headphone. Okay, so over here is my element headphone. So what I should do is basically I should replace it with this, copy and then paste it over here. Okay, so paste it, that is replaced. Element headphone is done now. So I have to find out element speaker. So for that as well I just need to copy this thing. So once I found my element speaker, just replace it. Okay, and then after that just save it. Okay, so once you're done saving it, all you need to do is just reboot your PC. Okay, that's pretty much it. So even if that does not solve your problem, then just play around with this files over here. Okay, so just play around with the output file and then you should be able to solve your problem. So yeah, that should basically help you out. But this file definitely, like playing around with these things will definitely help you out. And that's it for this particular video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.